Would you like to say something about my English journey, like my first day, and for no about my speaking?
Okay, I still remember when you came to me first time, and the language was very pathetic. Even a single sentence was not comprehensible. Whatever you produced, it was not understandable, and whatever I said, it was not understandable to you.
Yeah.
But now, see, there's a breakdown of all these things. There is a great improvement. Now, what I say, do you understand?
Yeah, I can easily.
Guys, you tell that he understands or he doesn't understand. Whatever I ask him, he's responding very well, and he's also able to pose questions.
Okay, sir, for beginners, what would you recommend, like, where they can start their journey, like if someone is new, beginner?
Okay, right. In language, there are so many things. Like there is vocabulary, there is grammar, there is pronunciation. But I would say that every beginner should start with simple sentences and should start with those topics which are day-to-day life matters. Like they can start learning some words about eating habits, about food. They can start improving words about exercise, about sports, about the country, about the house, about the family. These are those topics which everybody takes interest. And if the beginners start improving the words for describing these topics, then they can
Okay.
come towards language. And what I told, basic sentences like how to use there, how to use it, how to use this. Just like this is my food, I love it. So this is my food, I love it. These are basic sentences, right?